Ever looked at your Borrowell report and seen a big, fat zero where your credit score should be? Yeah, it can be a real shocker. You might be wondering, have I been living under a rock? Did I miss the credit memo? But hold on, before you panic, a zero credit score on Borrowell doesn't necessarily mean financial doom. In today's video, we're cracking the code on the zero credit score mystery. We'll explore what it means, why it happens, and most importantly, what you can do about it. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of building a stellar credit score. First things first, let's understand why credit scores even exist. Imagine you're a lender, a bank or credit union, and someone walks in asking for a loan. How do you know if they're a responsible borrower, someone who will pay you back on time? That's where credit scores come in. They're like a magic number that tells lenders your creditworthiness based on your past financial behavior. Now, Borrowell pulls your credit report from Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus in Canada. This report is like a detailed record of your credit history, your credit cards, loans, payment habits, the whole shebang. But here's the catch. To calculate a credit score, Equifax needs enough information on that report. So, why might you see a zero on Borrowell? Here are the two main culprits. Reason number one, the fresh start. You might be new to the credit game, haven't opened any credit cards or loans yet. Maybe you just moved to Canada. In this case, there simply isn't enough credit history for Equifax to generate a score. It's like trying to write a story with no characters or plot, there's just not enough material. Reason number two, the sleeping giant. Maybe you do have a credit card or loan, but you haven't used it in a while. Like, a really long while. If there hasn't been any activity on that account for over 6 months, Equifax considers your credit file inactive and poof. Your score disappears. Think of it like a campfire. If you don't add any logs, the fire eventually dies out. The good news is, just like you can reignite a dying fire, you can revive your inactive credit score with some responsible credit use. Now, a zero credit score might not be ideal, but it's definitely not the end of the world. Here's the good news, you can build a strong credit score from scratch. Here are some actionable steps you can take. Tip number 1, start small. Secured credit cards are a great option for beginners. They require a security deposit, but they function like regular credit cards and report your activity to Equifax. Use them responsibly, pay your balance on time, and watch your credit score bloom. Tip number 2, become a credit card connoisseur, but responsibly. If you handle a secured card well, consider graduating to a regular credit card with rewards programs. Just remember, credit cards are a double-edged sword. Use them wisely, pay your bills on time, and avoid carrying a high balance. High credit utilization, the amount of credit you're using compared to your limit, can hurt your score. Tip number 3, become a bill payment ninja. Believe it or not, paying your bills on time for things like phone and internet can also help build a positive credit history. Some credit bureaus offer products that allow you to report these payments and boost your score. Tip number 4, patience is key. Building a strong credit score takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep using your credit responsibly, make your payments on time, and watch your score rise steadily over time. Monitor your credit report regularly. Keep an eye on your credit report for any errors or suspicious activity. You can access your Equifax report for free twice a year through Borrowell or directly from Equifax's website. Remember, a zero credit score on Borrowell doesn't have to be a permanent roadblock. With a little knowledge and the right strategy, you can build a strong, healthy credit score that unlocks a world of financial opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.